today I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing of this, which is a Numatic James, I think. But it is. That's the only machine I've ordered of this size. It'll probably be in this box. So, yeah, so let's get into it. It was listed as spares and repairs on eBay. So it was up for 22, but I offered 18. And that offer got accepted, which is good. So, yeah, let's get into it. I hate shrink wrap, it's horrible. These scissors are rubbish as well. Hopefully it survived, but it is quite a tough machine. Now, it was listed as spares and repairs as the motor was noisy, but that should be not a problem because it should be just blocked fans or something. So that should be pretty alright. Just opens up like this, and in here we have the James, which is actually quite dirty. Yeah, that is quite dirty. So here's the hose. It's not an original. Well, it's not original to the James, but it looks original pneumatic. All the cuff is split, and the end is original. But yeah, we have a hose. There's the end on there. So it's got the original cable, new cable doesn't look damaged at all. And then here's the machine. So let's just move the box out of the way, along with all of the other stuff. So here it is. New cable is a little bit damaged, but they always go there. I do quite like the Jameses, so you know, I was going to buy this as a work vac, but I've got a work vac now, so I'm just looking for any holes in the filter that may suggest why this is this. The motor looks fairly clean, so put this back on. And what year is it? It's a 2006, so it does look to have had dirt through it. Yeah, you might turn it on quick, actually I will, just to see what it's sounding like, and then that should wrap up the conclusion for this video. But yeah, I do quite like this style of James, and I'll probably use it daily, once it's all cleaned up, if it cleans up in alright condition. But yeah, we'll just turn it on quick and see what it sounds like. So, plug it into an RCD, twist it on. Yeah, that doesn't sound healthy. And the motor did spark as well. See it straight through the casing. Yeah, that does smell rather dead. But that should be alright once it's cleaned out. So, let's just take the cable, try and wrap it up somehow. I think these have the small plastic Numatecs in them, so it should be quite easy to sort, to be honest. But yeah, if not, then just wasted some money. But yeah, I do quite like these machines. And it's, well, it's dirty, but it's not properly dirty, as I've had some machines in. But yeah, the cable on these just wraps inside here, although this cable's kind of messed up, so we'll just wrap it around the outside actually on this, and it should straighten out after. So turn it off. Like that. There we go. That just wraps around the edge like that. And yeah, I'm guessing you'll probably see more of this in the future. But yeah, there we go. There's the James I got off eBay quite cheaply. See, the hose just screws on the front like that. Yeah, this is quite knackered, this hose, but that will probably be ideal for me machine a worky or something. But yeah, there we go. So thank you for watching the video. If you've not already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.